isda, maglalagay ka ng maraming oil, unang-una, tapos lalagay mo yung fish. Ay! Yun.
Oy, alam mo, delikado yun.
Yun, nakagulat
Kasi
siya.
kung merong mga bata na nasa paligid, diba, tatalsikan sila, tapos mapapaso.
Oo, and makikita mo naman kung nilagay mo yung dyaryo, ganyan karaming oil yung nasa splatter at tumatalamsik. So yan, talagang madumi and makalat. Hanggang sa kortina ng bahay nyo, mangangamoy ang isda mo pag nagluluto ka ng isda. Talagang malansa.
Yes, but with our Happy Call pan, nagawa sa diamond coating, meron siyang non-stick quality, kaya hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-worry about dun sa residue ng isda dun sa bottom of the pan, at yung smoke at yung oil pa ay natatrap lang inside the pan.
Sakto.
So for example, ito, si Mr. Song, lalagay na niya yung isda at magpa-fry tayo ng fish.
Alright, so there, makikita mo, makakatipid ka pa dahil hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng mantika. Kasi nga, yung isda, kumbaga naluluto sa sarili niyang mantika. Kasi isi-seal mo with a silicone seal plus the magnetic handle. Nako, talagang perfect yung pressure niyan and mare-retain yung moisture. So yan, hindi mo na kailangang i-flip-flip yung isda gamit yung spatula, masisira-sira. Flip the entire Happy Call and open it.
Pa niya, no?
Look at that! So delicious, yung labas niya crispy, and tingnan natin inside kung totoo bang evenly cooked yung isda. Makikita natin yung loob. Oh my God!
Yeah.
Yan, yun. Sana natin, pwede
mukha
nating...
siyang malinamnam.
Pwede siyang isubo sana, no? Dahil nakakagutom yung itsura niya.
So, hindi mo na kailangan baliktarin yung isda mismo because you just have to flip the pan and it's really easy kasi nakita nyo naman na evenly yung pagkakakook niya.
Oo, and pritong isda, hindi na siya nangangamoy. Tingnan nyo, dahil sa silicone seal, walang lumalabas na amoy and hindi kasi didikit yan sa buhok mo, sa damit mo.
Hassle yun.
Hassle yan. With
parang
this one...
obvious na obvious kasi na nagluto ka ng isda.
Oo, alam ng
But with
mga
our
kapitbahay
Happy
mo na
Call
isda
pan,
yung
tingnan
niluto
nyo
niya.
naman. Napakalinis, no smoke, no oil na tumalsik, at evenly cooked pa.
And presentable siya, di ba? Maganda yung plating
Wow,
kasi nga
diba?
non-stick pan siya so hindi didikit yung isda. And of course, once again, inside it's very juicy. Hindi siya tuyo, di ba? Minsan kasi nagluluto ka ng isda tapos tuyo siya hindi naman siya tuyo, di ba? Ibang
Tsaka
isda
mas
siya.
mabilis siya ha, compared dun sa regular pan.
Yes, it's perfect. And speaking of plating, di ba? Minsan lalabas tayo to eat yung mga masarap na gourmet food. Di ba? Pero this one, pwede mo nang lutuan yung buong pamilya mo dahil entire chicken kayang i-fit sa loob ng Happy Call.
So hindi mo na kailangan i-chop para maging evenly cooked because this one, you just have to put the whole chicken inside the Happy Call pan.
Yes.
Tapos, i-seal shut mo lang siya. And because of the silicone seal and the magnetic closing, the heat and the pressure is just inside the pan. And of course, you don't have to worry about the smoke and the oil that will be splattering around. So yun, ganun lang kadali.
Yes,
Just flip it over and you will
tignan
see,
natin.
oh, wow.
Yun, look at that skin. Talagang crispy yung itsura niya. Pero di ba usually pag nagluluto ka ng manok, yung loob, hindi pa cooked gaano kahit luto na yung labas, di ba? May dugo-dugo, hindi siya appetizing. But with this one, ang dali niya hiwain, very tender. Look at that, di ba? Kahit yung loob niya, talagang na-retain yung juices, yung moisture. Talagang lalo pa tayong nagutom.
Crispy on the outside and juicy in the inside.
Yes, so meron na tayong fish and meron na tayong whole chicken. So hindi ka na kailangan bumili sa labas, di ba? Pwede ka nang...
Because of the diamond coating ha, Victor, mas madali na siyang linisin.
Yan, non-stick. Perfect. So madali na magluto, madali pa maglinis, talagang dadali ang trabaho mo sa kusina. And syempre, hindi ka pa mabaho, di ba?
Yes.
So this is really perfect for you out there.
What's really great about this is that you can cook a variety of foods with the Happy Call pan. So meron na tayong meat, meron tayong fish, and now meron tayong shrimp.
Nako, shrimp. Ito, malalaking shrimp. And notorious to na dumidikit sa pan. Yung balat niyan, nako, pag nabasa, didikit. But thanks to Happy Call's non-stick coating, talagang madaling-madali siya. And of course, all you have to do is flip the entire Happy Call. Very easy, naka-magnetic handle, so very secure. And there you... Oy, ang bilis!
Wow!
There you have the bright orange color. Talagang ang saya niya. Ang saya niyang tignan mo, ang masarap talaga siya, ang bango.
Oh, nga, gutom na ako, Victor.
And ang bilis ha, ang bilis niya maluto, di ba? Real time, naluto siya agad. Ganun kabilis. So it's really quick and easy and...
Ang galing.
ang bango niyang amuyin, di ba?
Di ba usually parang kailangan mo pang i-flip over yung food, pero ito isang group na lang siya, no?
Yes, and of course, a wide variety of food. Tignan mo naman yung melted cheese na yan. Sino ba namang bata or yung mga kids ang hindi mag-e-enjoy dan? Look how cheesy, oh.
Ang
Look
dami
how
mo pa talagang
cheesy the
pwedeng
pasta
maluto
is.
dito sa ating Happy Call Pan. At alam mo, itong cheese mahirap to kiskisin pagkatapos mong magluto, di ba?
Definitely.
But with the diamond coating, you can easily just wipe it off. So it's easy to clean.
Yes, yan makikita mo. Tanako, gustong-gusto ng kids to, no? And saktong-sakto yung size. You can cook one meal for the entire family and there you have it. A wide variety of ibang regular pan. Pag sinaserve mo yung pagkain mo, dumidikit yung pagkain, hindi na siya appetizing. And hindi lang yun, mahirap linisin. With the Happy Call double pan, pwede mo i-close so that the food and the taste and the juiciness and the moisture is still there, retained. Hindi siya kumakalat sa buong bahay mo kasi hindi mo naman malalasahan, di ba? Kumalat yung amoy, di ba? Sa buhok mo, sa damit mo. With this one, talagang perfect yung cooking. Hindi didikit yung pagkain, it remains tasty, and of course, evenly cooked inside and out.
That's right. You can also cook a variety of foods. So from seafood, pwede ka rin magluto ng meat or ng chicken. Pwede ka rin magluto ng shrimps. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin with our Happy Call Diamond Double Pan.
Oo, and full servings ang pwede mo ilagay. The size is just perfect. Kasi di ba Filipinos love eating. And a lot of us, kung gusto natin kumain na masarap, we eat out. Di ba? With the Happy Call Diamond Double Pan, you don't have to eat out. You can cook gourmet food right at the comfort of your own home for the whole family. And sure ka na evenly cooked yung pagkain mo because of the silicone seal. If i-flip mo lang, and makikita mo naman na hindi makunat yung puset. Yan, yung mga foods mo is talagang tastes the blur na pagluto ng most households. Okay, tatalsik, tumatalansik yung mantika. Maglalagay ka na napakaraming mantika para lang ipakita kung gaano karami yung tumatalamsik.
Ang dami mga oil na nakita natin dun sa paper, no? So that means kung ginagawa mo yan sa bahay mo, tumatalsik yung oil, tapos may usok pa, so ang baho na ng kitchen mo.
Hindi lang yung
Dumidikit pa sa
kitchen.
damit, di ba?
Hindi lang kitchen na abot sa sala mo yan. Ang baho na ng buong bahay.
napaka-hassle.
But with this one, it has a new diamond coating. Yan. Di ba non-stick na yung original Happy Call? This one is even improved with diamond coating, which is, we know naman, one of the toughest materials on earth. So in addition to being non-stick, talagang mas durable.
So, lalagay natin ulit yung fish. We're trying to fry fish with the Happy Call double-sided diamond pan. And makikita ninyo yung difference. Kasi hassle-free siya because of the silicone seal that keeps the smoke inside the pan. So, you don't have to worry about your messy kitchen.
Oh, and hindi mo na kailangang i-flip-flip dahil you flip the whole pan and yet meron siyang safety magnetic handle. Then, pag nag-click na siya ng ganyan, pwede mo nang i-flip yung Happy Call, hindi natatapon yung pagkain mo. It's very secure, so now you can flip the whole pan and after a few minutes, there you have it. Wow! Yan.
Very evenly cooked yung ating fish, no? So kahit binaliktad mo lang yung pan, you can
Ang sarap
easily see
yan.
na naluto na siya kagad. You don't have to worry about flipping the food there in the pan na minsan nasisira pa yung fish, di ba? Ito buong-buo yung isda mo.
Yung loob ng fish ay juicy talaga. And we all know na healthy yung fish oil. So yan, talagang makintab siya dahil lahat ng moisture, lahat ng juiciness na retain sa loob ng fish dahil hindi kumakalat with an open pan, di ba?
And also, you can use the Happy Call pan with this pork belly. Liempo.
Nako, paborito ng mga Pinoy yan, liempo. Ito big, heavy slabs of pork belly, mga liempong ganyan, di ba? Talagang pag nagluto ka ng liempo, tapos open pan, hindi na juicy yun dahil sisingaw yung juices and then mangangamoy ka pa. Pwedeng crispy yung labas, pero with this one, merong silicone seal. So trust me, lahat ng juiciness ng pork na yan, lahat ng lasa niya, talagang mag-i-improve because of the magnetic handle, na-improve po yung pressure cooking. Talagang napaka-tasty
So,
niya.
tingnan natin kung anong itsura.
Uy, ang
wow!
sarap!
Mukha siyang crispy on the outside.
Nakakagutom.
And juicy in the inside.
And amoy na amoy natin, talagang ang bango niya. And tingnan natin yung loob kung evenly cooked. Kasi crispy yung outside, pero tingnan natin yung loob kung gaano siya naluto, di ba? Ito, kitang-kita mo, juicy inside. So yan, makakagawa ka na ng liempo. And ang laking slab niyan. So, sure naman na siguro buong pamilya mo mag-e-enjoy nan. Ang sarap talaga niya, no? Parang ayoko pang lumipat, pero kailangan natin lumipat. Talagang crispy yung labas kasi this juicy yung loob, eh.
At ganun lang kadali, you just have to flip it. And ito naman yung mga chicken wings. Napakadali ring lutuin. It's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. So you don't have to worry about flipping the food. So kunyari marami to, di ba? Pwede mo na lang siyang isabay-sabay. Tapos isang pan na
Tignan mo
lang.
yung loob niya, no?
I-flip mo siya, ganun. Maluluto na kagad.
And talagang evenly cooked. And makikita mo, walang mga dugo-dugo. And hindi siya raw, di ba? It's really golden brown.
Importante doon, hindi siya makalat.
Yes. Eto, di ba? Marami sa atin gusto natin pakainin ng gourmet food ang family natin. Like for example, steak. Di ba? Naku, napakasarap niyan yung steak na may iba yung garnish. Pero with this one, mabilis mo nang maluluto to sa Happy Call. And ang ayaw na ayaw natin sa steak, syempre, yung natutuyo. Di ba? Kasi ang steak dapat may juiciness and talagang puno ng flavor.
At napansin mo, Victor, nilagay din natin yung garnish sa loob. So it means that you can cook both the steak and the
Yes,
garnish
oo,
inside
tama.
the pan. So it makes you
Yun,
cook the
wow.
whole meal faster.
Tignan mo naman, di ba? Ang bilis lang yun. Just a few seconds, makikita mo na talagang maganda na yung steak mo. And kung makikita nyo, nagbo-boil siya, wala tayong ginamit na oil.
Oo,
Ito
so
yung
it's
natural
healthier.
oil niya. So talagang you can be assured that all the flavor is there. So talagang now you're serving gourmet meals for
Happy Call is really famous.
We are really very excited for you to enjoy our new and improved Happy Call Diamond Double Pan. This is actually our top seller in O-Shopping, yung Happy Call, and now we made an exclusive and new and improved version. It has a diamond coating, making it even more durable and long-lasting. The silicone seal is still there, retaining the taste and moisture and juiciness of your food. And of course,